MSI GS75 Stealth 413 17.3 inches gaming laptop. Review deal discount unboxing setup. So somehow this laptop has only one other review, so I will be very thorough and continually update so that anyone else can have a very informed decision. Out of the box. It looks better in the pictures. I mean, it looks fantastic, but the gold trim and the profile are just a little less cool in person. The thin bezel is likewise less impressive in person, still nice though. However, because it's so thin, most webcam covers don't really fit well, so back to just tape. The keyboard is great, it feels nice, and the lighting is great. It defaults to this nice breathing ripple, and has a bunch of other cool settings. However, there's no left Windows key, which is kinda annoying. It comes with some annoying bloatware, but nothing I'm not used to disabling and uninstalling. Although the MSI Dragon Center is actually quite nice, and offers some good features. However, for some reason the SSD is in two separate partitions, and they're not adjacent either, so it's quite annoying to merge them. Performance. I decided to preemptively undervolt by 125 mV and drop the turbo from 45 to 40. It runs great. I was able to get a consistent 60 FPS on ultra settings for Total War 3 Kingdoms, and the CPU usually hovered around 80C, and never broke 95. It's a bit noisy, not enough to notice if you're wearing headphones, but just something to keep in mind. When not doing anything intensive, it's silent. This is a solid machine for the price. You get a 9th gen processor, a 1660T graphics card and 1TB SSD. The build quality is very solid and much improved from the 2018 model. Fans can be a bit on the louder side when the system is taxed, but it maintains good temperatures and performance, and I haven't witnessed any throttling yet. All in all, a great buy for someone looking for a great all-around laptop. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.